Well, good morning, Jagendra Rana here. How long you will live is mainly decided by your genes. How long you will live is mainly decided by your genes. You can eat right, exercise daily, and avoid every bad habit. But your genes may still have a major say on how long you live. A major new study suggests that nearly half of human lifespan is determined by genetics, challenging the belief that lifestyle and environment shape longevity the most. Published in Science, the researchers showed that once deaths caused by accidents, infections, and other external factors are excluded, about 55% of the human lifespan is heritable, meaning that more than half of the observed variations in longevity across a population is attributable to genetics. That is much greater proportion than the previous estimates of 10 to 25%, according to the research published on January 29. So the findings are based on an analysis of more than a century of lifespan data from large Scandinavian twin cohorts in Denmark and Sweden. Researchers studied identical and non-identical twins raised together and apart, as well as siblings of US centenarians. Most participants were born between 1870 and 1935, a period marked by high mortality from infectious diseases and accidents. So by separating such extrinsic deaths from those linked to biological aging, the study found the true influence of genetics on longevity had been masked. Once these external causes were accounted for, lifespan similarities between identical twins became far stronger. It also helps explain why genetic influences on lifespan appears clearer today, as deaths from infectious violence and accidents have declined over time. So, the role of genes in determining longevity has become more visible. Indian experts say the findings carry important public health implications. Dr. Anup Misra, chairman for TC-DOG, said, genetics plays a major role in the biological aging, but warned that Indian conditions could blunt this advantage. About half of the human lifespan is genetically determined once external causes are excluded. But poor nutrition, air pollution, and rising diabetes and obesity can override genetic advantages and accelerate biological aging. Dr. Amrish Mittal, Group Chairman, Endocrinology and Diabetes Max Healthcare, said, longevity reflects a balance between inheritance and environment. Genetics provides a broad upper limit for lifespan, while epigenetics and lifestyle determine how close one comes to the limit. I started explaining that environment factors can switch genes on or off without altering DNA itself. So scientists caution the findings do not mean that lifespan is fixed at birth. Nearly half of lifespan variations is still shaped by lifestyle, healthcare access, and living conditions. However, the study suggests that genes set the biological ceiling, and the environment determines whether people reach it. Researchers say the findings could reshape debate on aging and longevity while reinforcing the urgency of tackling risks that shortens the biological lifespan. So challenges idea that lifestyle can dramatically alter longevity. How much do genes decide? 50 to 55% genetics, 45 to 50% lifestyle and environment. What the study had analyzed 100 plus years of lifespan data. Thank you very much.